Good evening. Welcome to M1's shortened news in English, Hungary Reports. I'm Híradó, bringing you today's news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin. Let's get started. Hungary's coronavirus infection rates are surging. By Thursday morning, the number of COVID-19 cases diagnosed in a day and the number of coronavirus patients being cared for in hospital both surpassed 2,000. Compared to a day earlier, though, the number of patients on ventilators decreased somewhat. Said at the government's press conference on Thursday. The Minister of the Prime Minister's office also said that the coronavirus will only end if we have a vaccine. He added that the government is trying to guarantee that Hungary will be among the first to be able to purchase a future vaccine. Emphasized that the pandemic is worsening around the world, but Hungary's healthcare system is prepared to fight the virus. There are several effective vaccines that prevent the flu from spreading, the chief medical officer said at the Coronavirus Task Force press conference. According to Cecilia Müller, flu vaccines have arrived to GPs around the country and family doctors have started administering them. The chief medical officer emphasized that anyone who wants to get the flu shot for themselves or for their child should request it from their general practitioner. Prime Minister Viktor Orbán talked to his Australian counterpart, Scott Morrison, over the phone on Thursday about the coronavirus pandemic and its economic ramifications, as well as other current international issues. The Deputy State Secretary of the Prime Minister's press office told the Hungarian news agency MTI. The two prime ministers discussed the possibilities of handling the economic crisis and restarting the tourism industry. Remdesivir is an effective medication, but it cannot be prescribed in every case, the clinical director of Semmelweis University said on Kossuth Radio on Tuesday. According to Veronika Müller, only patients who have severe pneumonia and need oxygen therapy can receive the medication. In these cases, remdesivir has contributed to a more rapid recovery. Some COVID-19 patients who received it have since been allowed to leave the hospital. Hotels around the country are preparing for the long weekend that starts on Friday. Most reservations are in Eger, Gyula, Zalakaros and the Balaton region this fall. Because of the coronavirus pandemic, hotels everywhere are following strict guidelines and pay special attention to adhere to the rules when accommodating guests. That's all for today. Catch the English news every day around 11:20 p.m. local time or stream it anytime online. Thanks for watching. Wear a mask. Good night.